Today I'm in Trophy Club. It's early Saturday morning, so there's not a lot of people out yet. However, I want to show you around because Trophy Club is a small town surrounded by wonderful cities. Trophy Club is like one of my favorite. I would personally choose Trophy Club. It has great schools. It's right across the street from Westlake, which is, you know, like the elite city, and Southlake is down the street for all of your entertainment needs. Trophy Club itself does have a few restaurants, really good ones by the way. They have a juice bar, a workout facility, and some small things like that, because you have to remember Trophy Club is a small town. But the homes here are beautiful, and this is one of the few cities in Dallas-Fort Worth that have beautiful hills. Now I also have to show you the most incredible, like these homes were built in like the 80s and 90s, and they were built by custom builders, and so you do not have cookie cutter homes in Trophy Club. So let me show you around. In this video we're going to talk about the lifestyle of Trophy Club, the schools, and the housing, what you can get for your money in Trophy Club, Texas. So first off, well, let's talk about the lifestyle of Trophy Club. Trophy Club has this unique, special feel. It is one of the rare locations in the Dallas-Fort Worth area that has some hills and beautiful trees. And the neighborhoods, there are new neighborhoods, as well as some neighborhoods, we call it older in Texas, built in the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Now, I know for some of you watching, like in New York, you're used to living, not everyone from New York, but many are used to living in homes from the 40s and 50s. And when we think old, we think
80s,
90s.
90s. Yeah.
90s, just like us.
Yeah.
So,
we're vintage.
So Trophy Club is beautiful. Recently, we had a buyer that purchased by video in Trophy Club, and when they showed up, they were like, wow, this is a beautiful community, beautiful neighborhood.
Yeah, it exceeded their expectations.
Home, exceeded their expectations. So I thought we have to make a video about Trophy Club. Trophy Club is only 35 minutes from Dallas, and it's centrally located in 35 minutes from downtown Fort Worth as well. So whether you work or you have to make a commute to Fort Worth or Dallas, it's conveniently located.
Yeah, it's also really close to the airport. So what,
yes.
15 minutes from the airport?
15 minutes from the DFW International Airport. So if you have to travel for work or for fun, it's very, very conveniently located.
Yeah.
The population is about 12,000, so it's a smaller town, and it doesn't cover a lot of ground, but it's beautifully developed. There's a very community atmosphere, and they are building some new things there. So there's a brand new shopping area, and one of the things that I just got to experience was a juice bar.
Okay.
And so I was like, oh, $9 for, juice. But man, they got the grinder out. They literally juiced it in front of me. Yeah. Beets and apples, and anyways, it was really good. So I wish that was next to my house.
Yeah, so if you're a health person, that's a great place too, with the jogging trails and the
jogging
bike trails.
Oh, the park is really, really good in Trophy Club. There's a great dog park, trails. It's close to the water as well. Yeah,
and so again, raising families, if you're looking for a place to grow, it's a wonderful place.
So shopping there,
yep.
There's not a lot of, in the actual city, you don't have a lot of like clothing shopping. So you're gonna wanna go to Southlake, which is 10 minutes down the street, or you could go up to close to Roanoke for the Tanger outlets. So it's not too far away to go shopping for, like outdoor town square shopping. There's one fitness center I know of, maybe two in Trophy Club. You have some restaurants, not a ton of restaurants, but you have enough to get you a bite to eat if you're like running home from work or just want to get out. Otherwise, you can go to, again, South Lake Town Square, Keller's nearby. Oh, by the way, Trophy Club is right across the street from Westlake, so you can be confident you're buying in a very good area.
So Trophy Club's really 10 minutes away. You just jump on the freeway and you can get to so many amenities, so many water parks and entertainment in South Lake, and entertainment as far as eating.
In Roanoke.
Yes, in Roanoke. And then you've got you've actually got the raceway that's, again, another 10-15 minutes just down the
Texas
freeway.
Motor Speedway. Yeah, for NASCAR. The schools in Trophy Club, it's Northwest ISD with Byron Nelson as the high school, and they are known for their band. Now, they're also known for sports, and they're known for all kinds of arts. It's a really good school. People love it. All right, let's talk about housing now. So the median home price is right at about $600,000. What's interesting about Trophy Club, it's kind of similar to Roanoke. Trophy Club, you can buy a home starting at about $350,000 for a fixer-upper, and they go up to about $1.3 million. So you have this narrow price bracket versus some cities, you can buy a home for $200,000 and up to $8 million, but in Trophy Club, it's very small bracket.
Right.
So the homes that are starting at the $300,000 or $350,000, to about $600,000, they're in these older neighborhoods, but they're beautiful with the tall trees.
Very mature trees.
Not super tall trees, but tall trees, hills, and then the homes that are at about the 1 million to 1.2 are in gated communities right on the golf course. I've listed homes in this neighborhood in Hogan's Glen, and it's beautiful. One of my favorite communities in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So it's just, I don't know, you have to come and see.
I think of some of the custom homes when I think of Trophy Club.
Yes.
There's some really beautiful homes there that give you a little bit of a larger lots than some of the areas where you may not get the larger size lots.
Yeah, they're gonna vary lot to lot. They could be larger lots. They're just gonna vary, but he made a good point. In the city of Trophy Club, except for the newer homes, there are some new home subdivisions, which are tract builders or production builders, nice higher end production builders. But what I love about Trophy Club is if you go into those homes that were built in the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s, they're all custom built homes. So they're all very unique. No cookie cutters here, guys. No cookie cutters in Trophy Club.
Yeah.
Some of the newer subdivisions do have cookie cutters per se, but they're really nice. Your $700,000 cookie cutters.
Yeah. So one of the things I want to include is just to let you know you're probably 5 minutes from large corporations like Charles Schwab.
Yeah, they're right there, right across the street. Fidelity, right across the street. You're literally 5 minutes from work, and I know many of you guys that are getting hired on to Charles Schwab right now, you're looking for a home. There's no better place than Trophy Club. Are you looking to move up in Texas? Well, you may be saying, Dana, what's the next step? Well, hey, let's meet on Zoom. Whether it's a $200,000 home or a $20 million home, the next step is to fill out the appropriate questionnaire at danapollardgroup.com. When you fill out the Dream Home questionnaire, you will paint a picture for me and my team of what you want, both in a home as well as a community. Or if you have a house to sell in Texas, fill out the Sell My House questionnaire so you can learn about the exclusive benefits of listing with me. And after you share your favorite snack and push the submit button, an email will be sent to schedule your consultation call with one of my top amazing real estate experts. And you can also meet me on my Texas Tuesday Zoom call and ask me anything you like about moving up in Texas. This is a live call and attendance is limited, so go right now to danapollardgroup.com to get started.